I'm a student of chemistry. I don't have much time to practice at home, so only whatever I do is only at the Touchstone. And practice sessions help me a lot because I scored 8 in listening, and it is only because of the trainers and Touchstone, because I was not so good in reading as well. And the only thing that helps me a lot is the trainers, techniques also. So I think Touchstone is the best to do IELTS. For me, the best technique is used in reading. We just have given the time to collect our answers, and afterwards our answers will be dedicated in a very good manner. The explanation that they give to our doubts is very understandable and very clear to all the students. And I think the speaking techniques are also very good over here, as there is the cabin speaking, and most of the time if you have any doubts you can clear it from any trainer, and I think this is very effective for any student. I think it's very helpful from the very beginning till last. I found all the trainers and everyone very supportive. I found many doubts in my speaking and reading, but I found the trainers very helpful in dealing with me, and they were so supportive that I never minded to question any one of them. I think it's very good.